Alternative dispute resolution is also called ADR. It refers to any method used to resolve disputes other than traditional trial proceedings. Example of ADR includes negotiation, mediation, and arbitration. ADR programs speed up the disposition of civil cases. Negotiation allows the parties to meet in order to settle a dispute. The main advantage of this form of dispute settlement is that it allows the parties themselves to control the process and the solution. Mediation is also an informal alternative to litigation. Mediators are individuals trained in negotiations, who bring opposing parties together and attempt to work out a settlement or agreement that both parties accept or reject. Mediation is not binding. Arbitration is more formal than mediation and has a lot of similarities with traditional court proceedings, involving limited discovery and simplified rules of evidence.